What's up guys? I'm back from the Philippines and today I'm gonna show you my fidget collection. So let's get right onto it. Let's go! Okay, first we have the magnets. And I'm gonna show you how to make a square like these. Okay, first you take this, you just make it a string. Okay, so you must make it strings, but not only one. So it doesn't stay, it means it's the opposite, so you just turn it around, stick it, and it's a line. So I'm gonna show you how to make it. So you just count 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6. You just lift it, you do that, you turn it around, and you just follow it and just stick it together. Sometimes it tangles like that, but you can do it again. So you just put it like that, and again you just do it. You just do it on and on with tangles like this. It's okay. They'll give you a card. You just need to cut it, and you just do it there. So you do that, and for the last you need to be safely, and there you go. I'm done. So yeah, and you don't, if you take it in your hand, it's gonna tangle, so you just take it like that. If you're doing it on a table, just put it on here, and you can do this. So we need to put it here. So this is the first step. I'll do it for you again. Yeah, you do it like that. You see this correct? Okay, yeah, so this is the first step. This second step, so you do it fully. And this is the final results. You can put it in any shape and all, so yeah. So the next one is this infinity cube. Yeah, there's no rules to it. You can just play. When I play, I do it like this. I don't do it in any way. I also sometimes do on my on one hand like this. I can do the infinity cube is very fast, and I'm done. And the next is this yellow puppet, square puppet. I'm gonna pop only one line, because as you can see, it's very good and all. And I'm gonna tell you a secret about this. You know that if you put soap, your body soap, on this, it pops well. So it's a relaxing sound. And the last one is this simple dimple. It spins really well, like really well. See the colors? Pops as well as the fidget spinner one. And I'm going to do it all in the same time. All 6 of them. Yeah, it's kind of relaxing. It's really relaxing. If I choose all 4, I would choose this only between everything, because this is the best one ever. That's every fidget I have, and if you like it, like, subscribe, and comment down in this video which one you like the most. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment down below in this video. So